up? This your girl Blessed by Nika, and today I'm coming to you guys with another makeup look. I know I'm talking kind of fast, but bear with me. I don't know how it's gonna look. Another thing I know for a fact is that I'm using purples and pinks. That's all I know right now, and we're gonna rock with that. So the eyeshadow palette that I will be using, and this is the girl that I like to use. If you don't know, now you know. I know to use her because she has everything in her. She has her she has the eyeshadow, she has the highlight, she has the contour, she has lippies, the blush. It's all in one. Like, everything is in this freaking palette. Let me get my two favorite brushes out right now. Now I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush and blend out the edges of this. To that color a little bit more, and then come back up here and blend it out. I'm just gonna blend out these edges really good. I'm gonna get better at etiquette because it kills me, y'all, because I feel like I suck at them, but the more I practice the better I'm getting at them. So that's why I keep practicing, y'all. Anyway, now that I got the blended out kind of like I wanted to, but not really, because I feel like this one could be blended out even more. Really both of them could. Anyway, I got it in the shape I want it to be in. So now I'm gonna go in with my second color to go over, well, not really over, but on around the edges of the first color. So go ahead with my second color and blend her on in. Blend, 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 blend. Her in. She may not look that different from my first color, but I promise you she is different from my first color. trying to get it like a smooth as possible transition. But baby, that's very pretty. That's what I'm saying. That white just set it off. That's when that's when I live it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I thought that I was gonna mess it up doing what I'm doing, but I surprised myself and I was able to do it, and I am happy with it. I love that. So I'm hoping I can do the same thing this week, because my dominant hand is my right hand. I'm not left-handed, and I'm not even finna try to use my left hand to do this, because I'm scared I might mess up. So we're gonna see, can my right hand do it? I think that's it for the eye portion of this or whatever. We're gonna move on to the foundation part, because like I think this is it for my eyes, and I don't think I want to do anything else. We're going in with the CoverGirl Outlast, and this is the shade Tawny. Alright, going on with this foundation. I'm finna go on some foundation, but I just dampen my brush up a little bit, so I get it from being so stiff. I need to stop wearing my freaking jewelry in my nose because I have not been wearing it for a couple of days. And then I want to hold it close. That's gonna be it when it comes to the foundation portion. Normally I go all in with my foundation, and normally I would have put even more on it, but not this time. What your girl gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put some concealer on. I'm gonna also use the CoverGirl concealer, and it's in the shade Soft Honey. And put some glue on my lash line and on my falsies. And I'm gonna contour my face with the CoverGirl Outlast pressed powder foundation. This is what I'm gonna use to contour my face with. The blush that I'm gonna use has some undertone of highlights within it, so I'm not gonna even worry about highlight. It's time for some blush. And this is also a CoverGirl blush. It's in the shade Rose Silk. Yeah, Rose Silk. and it comes with the arm brush and a mirror up here. My lashes on because I like forgot about those. Putting on my lip gloss. That was, I think it was called Sheer Pink, something like that. Or Tickle Pink, something like that. This is called Fuchsia. And this basically has fuchsia glitter in it. Now give me a second, I'll be right back with the final look. Alright, this is the end of the video. This is it. This is the final look, and I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna be honest with you guys because I had no idea how this look was gonna go and how they was gonna look and whatever. But I took a chance and I did get the look to look like I wanted to. The only thing that I wish that I had better management with is my left hand, because I'm right hand dominant. As you can see, the top wing looks a little higher than this left wing, but other than that, oh yeah, my lash is too far over, but I'm not gonna fix that. Your girl will be taking some pics. Look for those pictures on Instagram. You can follow and connect with me on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, and YouTube. I think I'm missing one. Snapchat. Those are the 6 handles that I have, or whatever. Each one is Blessed by Nika. So if you want to connect with me, please do. Feel free to. I will see you guys in the next video. Before I let you go, I will say this or whatever. If there's anything that you guys see that you would like for me to try, any new things that you would like for me to do or whatever, please feel free to let me know or whatever. Feel free to DM me. That is totally fine with me. I have no problem with that. So just FYI for those who may not know or whatever, but to my day ones or whatever, thank you guys so much for supporting me as long as you have, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much, and I have so much new stuff I have in mind that I want to do for you guys, and I hope you enjoy this video and future videos to come. Love you guys so much. Mwah.